Hi, welcome to this tutorial on the status of a booking. We will examine the various types of statuses and the impact it has on the reservation. Now when we initially create the reservation, in step 2 we will see at the bottom it defaults to provisional status with an expiry period. Now this is the first of the statuses that is applied to a reservation, and the period is set under Administration Setup Defaults. Each business can determine its own default period. As indicated here, we are working on a system that has 14 days. During that period of 14 days, the rooms will be held off the calendar. At midnight, on the expiry date, the rooms will be released back to the calendar. To assist you in the managing of this provisional status on bookings, we have a report under reservations. Drop down, go to reports, go to provisional expiry, click on provisional expiry, and here we will say fine, give me all my provisional expiries, I want to see them and manage them, and generate list as a display option. Now we will see here a list of our provisional expiries of all the bookings and when the expiry date is. Those indicated in red are red. From this report then we could action either all of those reservations by selecting them, or simply by choosing a reservation we could extend that expiry date. Let's just look at that quickly. Apply it to this one record, OK, and we'll give it say another 10 days. That's confirmed, and we can send the confirmation now to the agent or the guest, as may be required here. Alternatively, one could go to the reservation and also confirm the reservation. Now the confirmation from provisional to confirmed happens within a reservation, and it's on the Details tab. Move over to the right, click on Change Status, and we'll see all the stages in the life cycle of a reservation. This particular one is down at provisional expiry, and to amend it, to confirm it, where we don't need to action it any further, simply click on the aerial confirmed and save, and it will be reflected as confirmed with a date. During the creation of a reservation, we can also move the status from defaulted provisional to perhaps quotation, if we like, simply clicking on that aerial, and we will have documentation now to email out to the agent or the guest as a quotation. Should the reservation be for a period where there are no rooms available, automatically that would be then defaulted to waitlist, as indicated now by the system. A booking can also be confirmed immediately on creation, in the case where it was perhaps a walk-in booking and the lodge is processing the reservation at the time. Let's look at some general points about the status and the moving of reservation between those statuses. Should a provisional booking not proceed, it's recommended that that booking be moved from provisional to quotation. The reason being that it was not a confirmed booking, and as not being a confirmed booking, it cannot be a cancelled booking. We also recommend then that only confirmed bookings be cancelled. This will give a truer reflection of your real cancellations in the system. Now, status is one of the filters that you can use to analyze reservations by. For example, reservations, reports. Let's go to the standard report, and in the standard report you will see that we have a block status filter where we can call for a report on different statuses, just simply by selection in this case, or all of them. An important point to remember about statuses is that it's a right and it's assigned to different groups of users. Now let's look at that quickly. Administration, Setup, user access. Under user access, in any of the particular groups, we will see that status changes, confirming to cancelled or cancelled to confirm, as the case may be, is a right that is extended to a user group, and users within that group will work then with those rights of being able to change a status. We hope you found the short tutorial on the status of a booking useful.